If you want to trade gold, you need to watch this video now. I'm going to give you 3 strategies that are perfect for those starting your gold trading journey or looking to refine your approach. Gold trading strategies can range in their complexity due to gold's unique market characteristics and sensitivity to world events. This means that traders might need to adapt their existing strategies or develop new ones tailored specifically to the gold market. Here's 3 that work well when trading gold. Position trading involves holding on to gold positions for an extended period of weeks or even sometimes months to capitalize on anticipated market trends. As a position trader, you must stay informed about global events and economic indicators that can affect gold prices. These include geopolitical tensions, inflation rates, and changes in monetary policy, particularly by the US Federal Reserve. Now, an example of where it can go wrong when you don't hold on to those positions long enough is when the British government announced it would sell half of its total gold reserves in 1999. If we take a look at the chart from that time, you can see $6.5 billion of gold was sold at the average price of $275 an ounce. Let's pan out on the chart over the longer term, and you can see the price moving upwards over the last 20 years to a high of over $2,000 an ounce. That is 7 times higher. News trading is all about speed and precision. News traders focus on making quick decisions based on economic releases, central bank announcements, and other significant events. For example, a Federal Reserve announcement on interest rates can cause immediate and significant movements in the gold market.
Headline inflation has moved down more than 3 full percentage points now to 2.4%, as I mentioned in my remarks. We want to see a little bit more data so that we can become confident, so that we can take that step of beginning to reduce policy rate.
Now, a great fictional example from film history where gold would have traded volatile around a news event is from the movie Goldfinger. The Bond villain tries to infiltrate Fort Knox and set off a nuclear bomb, which means that US reserves would have been untouchable for 50 years. If this news event had hit the headlines, Goldfinger suggested that the gold price would have gone 10x or 1000% higher. Trend trading involves identifying the direction of the market, whether gold prices are trending upwards or downwards, and making trades based on the direction of that trend. Now, gold often exhibits strong and sustained trends, making this strategy particularly effective. This can be shown in this graph of gold from 2022 when the Federal Reserve started raising interest rates. If you'd started to short gold on the first increase in interest rates by the Federal Reserve, you'd have been on the right side of this trade for over 20% in the next 8 months. You can see as we add the parallel channel to the graph, the key here is to recognize the trend early and trade in the same direction until there are signs of a reversal. As soon as it breaks the trend higher, here at 1690, then you can see it catapults higher by 7%. Many successful traders combine elements of these strategies. For instance, a trader might use a position trading approach, but also pay attention to key news events that could impact their long-term positions. Similarly, a trend trader might use a news release to confirm the continuation or reversal of a trend. And often it's a particular news event that can end one trend and start another.
Wall Street skidded again on oil today. The Dow, S&P 500, and NASDAQ all took major hits as a global glut in oil supply and low demand for fuel sent stock prices plummeting.
Gold trading requires a combination of market knowledge, strategic planning, and adaptability. Whether you prefer the long-term approach of position trading, the rapid response of news trading, or the pattern-following methods of trend trading, or a combination, there's a strategy to suit your trading style. Check our video on the best gold trading indicators and be sure to subscribe to our Trading Takeout series on YouTube for a daily dose of market insight and wisdom.